In this video, I will show you how to turn on two-factor authentication in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads account. Once you're in, you will see your main dashboard. On the left part of your screen, open up the menu list and scroll to find all tools, then click on it. From the list, select Business Settings to access all the settings for your business account. Once inside, focus on the left menu of your business settings board. Use the search bar at the top and type Security. From the suggestions that appear, click on Security Center to open the security settings for your account. In the two-factor authentication card, you will see an option under Who's required to turn on two-factor authentication. Here, select Admins Only to ensure that all account admins have this extra layer of security enabled. Next, go to your profile in the upper right portion of the screen to double-check that you have access and the correct settings applied. Now, open another tab in your web browser and go to Facebook. Click on your profile, then navigate to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Use the search bar to type two-factor authentication, then click on the suggestion that appears. Under Passwords and Security, you will see the two-factor authentication section. Here you can review all the accounts linked to your business and verify that two-factor authentication is enabled for the selected admins. Once this is done, your Meta Ads account will have enhanced security, protecting your campaigns and business assets from unauthorized access. And that's how to turn on two-factor authentication in Meta Ads Manager.